Hey guys, today we have 2.5k drawdown sa 3 araw pa lang ng September. Siguro ito hindi na bago sa akin din, pero bigyan ko lang ng context yung losses, especially dun sa mga nakaka-encounter nito dahil maraming hindi nag-share nito sa end ko, I just want to be transparent lang. Alam tayo bilang nag-share ng mga insights, ideas, experience dito sa ating YouTube channel, as well as to share kung ano yung nangyayari sa end ko, no? So yeah, I'm happy lang naman to share some of my experience, especially sa trading journey ko. Pero I'm with those people na encounter na mga losses nila, and then wala silang ma-sharean or bigyan ng feedbacks. So kasama nyo ako dyan sa ganyang sitwasyon, guys, no? I've been trading for almost a decade na in crypto space, pero gusto ko i-acknowledge yung mga na-loss, made some mistakes, nag-overcommit sa emotion. That's why naging masyadong overreach yung kanilang setups, ending up ng losses, no? So normal yan, tao tayo para sa akin, na-encounter ko na rin yan maraming beses, pero isa sa mga importante is I move forward. I acknowledge those mistakes and reflect, contain yung emotional, physical, spiritual health natin, kasi yun yung pinaka-importante, yung kalusugan natin. Hindi yan mababayaran ng kahit anong pera or kahit crypto, kasi nag-iisa lang yan So yun yung isa sa mga importante. If you made mistakes, if you lost, just move forward, reflect from those losses, and you should learn from those mistakes, and always take care yung sarili nyo pa rin. Yun pa rin pinaka-importante, alongside doon sa journey natin sa trading. And yeah, as you can see, I've been sharing some of my experience, and kung meron kayong mga gustong sabihin, feedbacks dito sa ating video today, feel free to comment lang sa comment section ng video na ito. You can just rant your feedbacks, especially sa mga nakaka-encounter ng losing trades, sunod-sunod loss streak. So feel free to comment and bounce back ng mas malakas, mas wise, mas practical. Learn from those mistakes and move forward, guys, no? Kasi isa sa mga journey ko, mistakes yung magpapagrow din talaga sa'yo. Kailangan mo lang siya malampasan. Losses, kailangan mo lang siya malampasan, and you should acknowledge your mistakes pa rin. And kung hindi mo ma-encounter yung mga ganyan losses, mistakes, parang tingin ko hindi ako mag-grow, walang self-development, no? If iisipin nyo yung mga athlete like Michael Phelps, hindi naman siya naging magaling sa swimming kung hindi niya na-gain yung experience. Like Max Verstappen ng F1 Red Bull Racing, hindi naman siya naging magaling kung hindi niya na-experience na mag-drive, no? For sure, they make a mistakes, but they acknowledge and move forward. So, nandyan na sila ngayon sa kanilang sitwasyon. Isa sa pinaka mahirap din talaga na stage sa trading, if you encounter those kind of losses, mistakes, sobrang stressful. Pero at the end of the day, kailangan yung i-acknowledge yun, guys. Kailangan yung i-contain yung, or kailangan yung secure, safety yung mindset ninyo, yung mental health ninyo. I experienced that, kaya yeah, I'm opening up this one, especially dun sa may mga nakaka-encounter ng losses, and I think it's pretty normal. You should manage your risk. It's very important, risk management. But then again, tao tayo, we made mistakes. Somehow we break our rules sa trading, like over leverage, over trading, max out margins. But after that, we should acknowledge those kind of approach, kasi alam na nating magiging devastated yung outcome moving forward, no? So we need to be wise and practical at the same time. And I'm with you guys, especially dun sa may mga losses and walang gustong mapagsabihan. Yung comment section, tadtarin nyo na lang para mailabas nyo yung pinaka gusto nyong sabihin. Dahil as mentioned, I'm with those people na experience those kind of situation, no? So yeah, just comment your feedbacks, yung mga hinaing nyo. Yan, I have some losses, 3 days pa lang we incurred that kind of losses. Maybe dito nyo lang yan makikita sa ating YouTube channel, kasi nagsishare ng losses parang hindi siya nakaka-proud, pero yeah, I'll be transparent, and that's my drawdown for this month. 3 days pa lang. I've been recording this video for like September 3. Yun, guys, no? Hope you get some kind of motivation. Maybe I'm just sharing my experience lang dito, and just want to say, for those people who encounter losses, mistakes, I'm with you guys. Feel free to comment lang, and kita sa comment section. Peace out. Bye for now.